Today, I want to share a life-changing story, a powerful speech that proves your circumstances will never define your destiny.
Nick often speaks about the masks we wear, pretending everything is fine while carrying heavy burdens inside. Nick says you cannot always choose your hardships, but you always choose how you respond to them.
He teaches us that progress doesn't demand impossible leaps. It simply asks you to be still, connect one small mechanism, and move forward.
If you fail 100 times and give up, you are never getting up. But if you try again, there is always hope. The story is never truly over until you decide to quit. The only real defeat is quitting on yourself.
When you find the courage to stand back up, your resilience becomes the light that guides someone else.
Find your inner strength, stand strong in purpose, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful stories.